Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Please share these videos. Thank you. Today's the day of the giver vibration, the giver personality, the giver archetype. When it's in the spiritual part of someone's blueprint, it gives them the path of karma yoga. Karma, meaning action. The giver means action, taking action, doing your daily activities, just doing what you are compelled to do in life. But there's a special way that the givers perform action. Special way. What is that special way? You know. Come on. What's that special way? Without being attached. No attachments. No appointments, no disappointments. As one of my first spiritual teachers used to say. Doing things, doing your work, doing your activities, not worrying about what happens, not worrying about the results, not thinking, oh, I hope this happens when I do this, or, oh, why did that have to happen when I did that? It's not your job to create the results. You can't. It's not possible. It is the karma yogi's job, though, to do it. Just do it. So just do it. Just do it. Who's a karma yogi? Who's a karma yogi? Who's a karma yogi? The great Bob Dylan. Bob Dylan, believe it or not, is a karma yogi, a giver, a selfless giver. Look at him. On the never-ending tour. Never stops. Always out there giving the music, giving the music. You think he needs the money? Still giving the music. Giving, 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 giving. Here's a quote from Bob Dylan. You're going to die. You're going to be dead. It could be 20 years. It could be tomorrow. Anytime. So am I. I mean, we're just going to be gone. We're just going to be gone. The world's going to go on without us. All right, now, so you do your job in the face of that. How seriously you take yourself, you decide for yourself. But you do your job in the face of that. You do your job in the face of death, my friends. That's what Bob has to say. Do it. Go out and do it today. Don't worry about what happens. Just move on to the next thing. And then move on to the next thing. And then move on to the next thing.